What is going on, guys? We have a $1,000 airsoft unboxing. I haven't posted a video in a while because I haven't really had like a good camera or anything, and I'm still using like an iPhone. But I already took a few things out. I actually took out the oil and the battery and charger just so I can try the gun and everything. I haven't really opened up anything else, but I know what I'm getting in this box. And then tomorrow, in reality, 1 second for you guys, is the mystery box. And then I'll pull up the screen info here. It says at the bottom it's 30 pounds, so I'm hoping I get something good on the mystery box. So this is gonna be a big one. So I got a smart charger, a Tenergy Matrix 1600 milliamp 9.6. Let's get to the box. This stuff is about $580 or so. And then the next package along with the mystery box, $180, but I bought other stuff with it. It's about like a gun bag and some rifle accessories. So right off the bat, have 2 green gas containers. That over here. Have 2,000 rounds, 0.3 gram BBs. I got a Blue Force Gear triple elastic M4 mag pouches. I forget the name of this. It's an Avengers tactical vest that came with pouches, but I'm taking these off. Probably this too, and the back, and I'm putting on this other thing that's in the box as well. Good look at that. It's pretty nice. It's quite compact. Came with all the pouches, 65 bucks. It's not bad. Just put that over here. And here. We have a backpack, Molly backpack, to go with the vest on the back. I'm gonna be putting like radio and hydration in the back. Put that aside, and then the Tenergy box, like I said, I took it out because I went to charge the battery so we can try the gun right away. I got a G&G parts and accessories dummy grenade, BB holder, I guess. It was like $5 or $6, not bad. It was just the order, just to see what I got. Make sure I got everything. I got 3 M4 mid caps in black. As you can see here. And we got a tactical airsoft glasses. They're full seal, and they're low profile, so they don't get in the way with the mesh mask or anything. They are by ASG, and they're compatible with everything on the back, so it's pretty nice. So hopefully I won't have any problems at the field I go to. But I also got a free pair of mechanics gloves with the purchase of the gun that I got from E-Bike. These are medium. I haven't tried them on yet. I'm going to towards the end of this video. I got 2 patches. One's parental advisory, kick your ass or some shit like that, yeah. Put that aside. You got American flag. I got a AIM Sports red dot sight. Red dot, there we go. Magazine for the M4 down here. got Molly triple magazine, Molly on the front and back. I'm gonna be putting the blue twist here on the front. So that'll go in a plate carrier there, so I'll have extra pouches. These are just tabs, trash. And now, I was like taped to it for the final piece. Here's the final piece. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. But it's the CM16 SRXL. It's by G&G. It's the combat machine they came out with. That's not like the cheaper version, but this is more of their high-end one. It's MOSFET ready and everything. Right off the bat, we have just the manuals and everything. Don't really have to worry about this. Right there, and then the magazine. Right here was for this. And the main gun itself. This is sweet. You guys, it may look like the rail's a lot bigger on the website or like in pictures, but like it's very slim and very low profile. Like I can basically wrap my whole hand around it, pretty much. I really like the feel of this. That side, of course. Oh yeah, you got the hop up there. Looks like it's all greased up and everything, so we're good. The trigger pull is actually real nice. You got the flip up sights. I like the stock though. Pretty nice. I guess the battery goes back here. It's rubberized back here, which is really nice. It's all metal. Actually, the body is polymer upper and lower, and then the rail system is all metal along with the flip up sights. Flash hider, this is polymer as well. Trigger's metal, guard's metal, stock's polymer obviously. But everything on the gun itself, switches and everything are metal, pins. So it's pretty high quality, but what is going on, guys? Vortex back with part 2 of the unboxing. This may or may not be part 1 because this is the mystery box part that you saw in the title. But I'm sorry for the previous video on part 1 or part 2, whichever it was, with you know, the vest and everything and the rifle I got. I was just really tired when I made it, but I was pretty excited to make it and everything, but you know. Sorry for all that, but let's get to the main box here, which is the mystery box. I haven't opened it yet. I crossed everything out. The box was pretty torn up when I got it. Same thing with the other one. I also have this along with the mystery box on top of it. These are some extras that I got that you will see. I know what's in this box, but I don't know what's in this. So let's go ahead and get to it. Cut open the box. First off, we got a Cyma Airsoft Electric Rifle Series. Doesn't say it, but like, I'm not sure if you can see that, but this is just all torn up. Like, I could just flatten that out. Let's go ahead and get that aside. Alrighty, so right off the bat, we have Cyma, one of the E-Vike. I don't know what this is really. I guess it's just something that looks like a soda can. It says E-Vike. Put that aside. Some more mystery stuff. I got a, what was that, Captain America Fantastic Four patch, along with like a Darth Vader type patch. I'm not sure really what it is. And the special Evike bullet pen. Go ahead and put those aside. Alright, in the first one, let's see what it is. I haven't seen it yet. I don't know what it looks like. Oh. Looks like we have an M4. M4 Shorty. Let's see if you guys can see that. Pull that out. We have ourselves the M4. I'm not sure which package that, or like what else comes with it, because I forgot which one in the mystery box this is. But that's the first one. Let's go ahead and open that one. Here's my knife. Alright. That opened up. Take that. I don't know if these BBs are good or not. I doubt it, so I'm not going to use it. But it comes with a hand grip, which is nice, with the little battery compartment at the bottom twist off. High capacity magazine, just standard all black, trapdoor at the top, nothing too fancy. But the gun itself, let's go ahead and get to that shit. Oh wow, and jamming rods right off the bat, nice to it. All metal. Actually no, receiver's polymer. Upper receiver's polymer. It's not bad. It's pretty nice. There's that. Let's see the charging handle. It's pretty nice. I like the little red accent in the middle there. This is metal though. Metal rail system. Actually no, it's polymer rail system as well, so it's lightweight gun. And then you have this standard sight that it comes with, but I'm not going to use that. You have the standard crane stock as well. None of these guns came with batteries, which is kind of a disappointment. But on the other hand, it's still a nice gun, pretty high quality. I like it. At the end of this video, you'll see all the test shootings and everything with all the guns, and more of an in-depth view on how I like it. And instead of the quick, let's get through it. Oh wow, this next one is, it's a gun that you will wait to see. We have here the Tommy gun package. Comes with a magazine. I assume no battery. Comes with BB, so I assume not to use that. And then a sling. It's a drum mag, so let's go ahead and open that shit up. Alright. Take that off. Put it aside. And now we have, take it out. Oh wow, it's got some real weight to it. I assume that's where you put the batteries back here. But yeah, this thing has some actual weight to it, I'm not gonna lie. Stretches out your arm pretty far back, but it's a little weird. You gotta get used to that shit. It's nice though, it's not that bad. Selector switch. Oh, there's only, oh, that's a weird selector switch. So here's the selector switch we have here. It's fire and safe. It just rotates around to fire or safe, and you keep it in there, and then you have semi or auto there, which is pretty cool. Bolt comes back, which is cool. that has a nice sound to it. This is all metal, you know, except this is wood or whatever it is, some cheap wood, polymer, whatever it can be. But I really like this gun. It's pretty decent. I don't know if I'll use it. I might trade both these guns in for probably something different, but I'll keep you guys updated with that. Here's the magazine. I have no idea how this works, but I believe it goes in like this. Yep. That's cool. Alright, and that's for the Tommy gun. Go ahead and open this box. I know what I got in this box. I ordered it with the mystery box itself. So the order came out to like $220 or something like that. I don't remember. So let's go ahead and open it up. Alrighty. So right off the bat, I have a. Came in a full seal bag just for a key mod hand stopper. Like, I gotta rip it and everything. Now that's an airtight sealed bag that you must keep. Just for a small bag. Just for this. Just for this. Thank you, Evike. So I got myself one of these for my other rifle that you saw in part 1 of the video. I'm probably going to put this on like right away, so I'm going to just go ahead and take it out now. So put that aside, throw that in the back of the box. Here's my shipping thing. I got a speed loader for reloading and everything. I actually found one that I already had, so might as well have 2 than 1, so in case I run out. Trash. But yeah, just a regular speed loader, nothing too fancy. Put that aside. Alright, and then the last item itself is a black 39-inch or 49-inch gun bag. Let's take it out of the bag to give you a better look with all that glare. So here's the bag. It has pouches on the front here, and then you have some mag pouches, I guess, to hold extra. On the back, you have straps. There's a zipper in the middle. I don't know what that's for. So more storage on the back, actually. That's pretty unique. Just flip it over, and then let's open up the inside. Oh wow, there's 2 slots. Okay, I'm starting to like this. This was only $30 on eBay, something like that, 30 or 20. Let me see here. It's the Evike Safety First 39mm basic rifle bag, black. But it doesn't tell me the price on this one. I'll leave everything in the link description below if you have any questions. So. Oh, that's cool. Got one there. And then there's a separate thing over here. I guess for another section of a smaller gun though. So nothing too big. Yeah. And And then you have side pouches on top of it. That's nice. This opens all the way. Yeah, opens all the way. Throw it right from here. Overall, the bag's pretty nice. I recommend it. 10 out of 10. 39-inch black safety bag, standard rifle bag in black. I don't know if they have any other colors though. But that's everything for the, what is it, $1,200 airsoft unboxing, including the mystery box, considering adding up the guns that I got in it. $1,200 or $1,000 overall is what I spent on these boxes. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more content. It'll be coming out very soon.